afternoon. Here's my baby. His name is Dolly.
Her name is Dolly.
His name is
Her name
His name is
Dolly.
Dolly.
Do you love your doll?
Hmm?
You love her?
Mm-hmm.
Fix your hair. Do not destroy your bangs. You fix your hair. You tell your daddy, ha? Daddy, you cut my hair, daddy, ha?
Cut my hair.
My
Daddy.
bangs, daddy. Oh, it's so long, na, daddy. You need to cut, na, daddy.
You need to cut my daddy.
So, eat na. What are you eating, now? So, eat. Eat, no. Do it. Just eat. Just show lang sa
I eat
camera.
the pear. This game can circle.
Oh, that's pinipig. Ah, I don't know what. Piyaya? Piyaya din. Piyaya. Piyaya. You like piyaya?
Mm-hmm.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Piyaya is your favorite?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's talk na. And daddy bought this one for you. Daddy bought that one for you.
Dali ako.
You ate that one.
Dali ako.
What are you eating, Ben?
Banana.
Banana? Is banana your favorite?
Yes.
Yes?
You like banana too?
Yes, I like banana. Where did you get your banana? There? From Tatay Farm.
Tatay's farm.
Yes, Tatay plant that one.
Ano tatay's stump? Anana, mame.
What is that?
Plant.
Nag-plant ka ni si Tatay. Tatay
No.
plant banana manggod.
And knife that.
Many banana.
And knife.
Yummy, be? Do not include the peel, be, ha? Sige na, eat na. The banana girl, the muy girl. Be, face a muy girl, be.
You.
Are you monkey? Are you monkey?
Pretend.
Pretend monkey. Monkey loves banana man. And also, Alara. Therefore, Alara is a monkey. No? Never?
Mm-hmm.
You're the prettiest monkey.
No.
You're the prettiest monkey?
No.
Pretty monkey. You don't want that one?
Mm-hmm.
Pretty. You are
No.
pretty.
Mm-hmm.
How about pretty monkey?
No.
No? Pretty only.
Mm-hmm.
Pag-eat properly. Uy, pag-sit properly, be. Sit properly. Hindi na, eat na.
They missed the train? Did they just miss the train? Wait, where did the dog just go? What?
Ang inday kaon sa among balay. You love to eat, be? Uy man, be. Big na kay ka, be. Ay, pag-diet na, be. You don't want? Tarunga. A, B, C, D, A, F. Tarunga.
Alam na no P. Q R S T U V W X Y and Z.
Yeah, now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, again.
A for apple. Apple.
B is for ball. B.
Ball.
C is for cat. Oh, sige, you press it. Kaon na. O, sige. Sige na. Hi, be. Sige, you talk. Done already. Naka-on na. O, sige, talk.
Hello guys.
Hello guys.
That's my tummy, but
No, dili
it's big.
ako. Dili ako ang topic. Ikaw ra diha. Gina
Big imo tummy, mommy.
si big akong tummy. It's not big. Your tummy is the one nga big.
No, it's not big.
It's big. It's
No.
very big. You need to...
Giant imo tummy, mommy.
Uy, dili man like that ang tummy.
Mama!
Your tummy lang. You show lang.
Can I touch your tummy, mommy?
You're not big tummy, Alara. You're just
Jump! Jump! Giant imo tummy, mommy. Nikita ko, mommy.
How about your tummy? If mommy's tummy is big, how about yours? Bigger pag gid ng imuhang tummy kay kayo sa kay mommy. Uy, oh, big kaayo, uy.
La, la. I wanna eat that. La, la. I wish
Busy ka mga people. Our kuya is there. Hey kuya! Kuya! Henrik! Say hi! Henrik!